Second Kings 3:15. You got to read it out loud.
Wait. I can find my Bible. What version?
KJV.
KJV. Second King.
Second Kings 3:15. Verse 15.
15. Verse 15.
All right. Read it out loud. Read it out loud.
But now bring me a musician. And it came about while the musician played that the hand power of the Lord came upon Elisha.
I like. Is that the King James version?
Yes, this
You're in the Amplified.
No. Yeah. Sorry.
Huli ka, ibang version yun.
Oh, there.
Which is my favorite, but go ahead.
Second Kings 3:15, correct?
Yes.
But now bring me a minstrel. And it came to pass, when the minstrel played, that the hand of the Lord came upon him.
You want me to open this for you, or you want to?
Okay, I'm gonna open that.
Okay.
Ang tahimik ko kay dito. Now I know why you said that there you have a gift. Well played, well played.
Did I actually surprise you? Did I get away with it?
Well, the gift doesn't, sige, kaya ko to. I don't know about the gift.
Oh, you don't know what the gift is. Okay.
Yes, but the cake nanay said.
What?
About the cake. What is this? No, hindi
The
naman.
verse should tell you what it is,
Okay.
or at least give you a clue.
Oh, what
Right.
is this? Parang pang gym bag. Parang gusto kong papayatin.
I'd be in the doghouse so quick if it was.
Oh, oh, oh.
Bring me a minstrel. Bring me a minstrel.
Oh, okay. That's so nice. Thank you, Lord. Mabait ang bebe ko. Sorry, bago ka na naman pag-practice. Oo nga. Thank you, love. This is so cute. Oh, kala ko nga
And
pang
there
gym
are
bag eh.
plenty of YouTube videos to learn.
Yeah. Is this? Oh, there's no like. You're gonna put the mix, the app.
Microphone.
Okay. So I have to learn this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Thank you. It's so cute.
Ito ano to, yoga mat.
So may gym bag, may yoga. Iba talaga. Hindi ko alam. Gusto na talaga akong papayatin. Thank you po. This is another for
Kaya yan.
Picture lang yan, ta, picture.
Pamasira ng good cheer. Dito talaga tayo nagbukasa ng ano. Sa mga ano, ilaw-ilaw. Talaga, oh, ang cute!
May remote.
Uy!
May remote.
Ano po to? Pang attach.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Alam ko din.
Ay, pati talaga tong box naka-ano pa ha. So cute. Ano to? Kahoy? Oh, tama-tama, apat. Kay Acer, kay Adrian, kay Aren. Wait lang. Parang ano. Guess.
Karton lang pala ta.
Or plywood. Parang anong gato?
Ganda ng karton.
Ay, may pagpalo.
Pinagkatago.
Ganda naman ng plywood ta. Plywood.
Pinahirapan.
Plywood pala, plywood.
Sarap.
Plywood.
Siguro sa side. Sa side? Oo, ito.
Painting na yan.
Talaan ko na yan. Talaan ko na. Ano?
Ano sabi?
Ano kaya?
Painting daw when you were 7 years old.
Uhugin pa ako ng gusto.
May balot na naman.
Mga alas 10, di pa napunta niya. Oh, yan.
Ang hirap.
Oh,
Okay.
Ay, ano to? Salamin.
Ay, meron pa.
Kailangan ko pa magsalamin dito?
Nagka...
Wait lang.
Daming bukas niyan,
Try
Mia.
my best to, entertain mo daw, kailangan mag-record ka.
Ang regalo pala ngayon, ang balot ay ano, pang shopping na.
Ano, nag-update na from gift wrap to Shopee wrap.
Oo, may ata pera yan. Sa loob.
Yun.
Uy!
Paper cover. Ah, parang makeup.
Ah, meron pa yan ta. Paper cover lang yan.
cover lang daw yan.
Cover lang daw pala yan.
Buti na lang nagsulat. Kala, yun na.
Kaya lang po na itong paper.
Meron pa?
Paalala po na itong paper cover ay para protektahan laban sa gasgas. Ah, okay, ng product.
Meron pa pala.
So, tatanggalin tong papel, tama ba?
Hindi pala, no? Hindi pala tatanggalin pa.
May ilaw yata.
Ano ba yan?
Parang dalawa eh. Parang dalawa yung picture. Yan. So, parang plywood, ganon.
Hindi ba yung nasa?
So, parang ididikit.
Pati yung umorder, di alam ah.
Ako, cover pa lang daw ko. Excited? Kalmahan ka lang daw.
Cover lang pala, oh. Kala, yun na.
Oh, this is my prenup.
Artista lang, ah.
Another
Dikit mo na
one.
yun.
Ang ganda.
Parang sa magazine lang.
Mga magazine, no?
Basta kami sinunod ng manok.
See her on GMA or ABS-CBN? Maybe GMA.
So, Puso pa lang.
Parang hindi ka pala pinagdot eh.
Oh, wow.
May GCU.
Nice.
Thank you so much.
Sa akin ka? Ay, sa'yo ba?
Hindi na nakapag-pinpi eh. Hindi na nakapag-pinpi.
Taga-picnic lang ako.
Ayaw pa pala magtayo ka. Mali yung hula. Tapos nagkahirap-hirap ako.
Hindi ako makasagot eh.
Tinawagan ko pa.
Dala kasi ni Pastor Roland, kala ko kay Pastor Roland. Thank you, Mother.
Thank you so much po. You're so cute.
Babalik na lang yung ano para hindi magasgas. Yung cover.
Thank you po.
Yung ano, yung parang plywood, baka hinitikit mo. Ganun ba yun?
Baka.
Yan yung pandikit sa dibdib.
Pamboy. Tapos ididikit na lang ng ganon. Okay, so no need na ng frame.
Pero yung papel, ibalik siguro baka magasgas.
Oo nga po. Mabalik na lang. Salamat po. Thank you, Mother.
Ito lang nag-bit na hindi galing.
Kala ko si Pastor na eh. Thank you so much po.
May paglagay ka na sa bagong bahay.
Oo, hindi ko muna ito anuhin.
Ano naman? Ay, sorry. Cover na.